Welcome to this video where I will show you how to prepare the kombucha tea. Kombucha is a classic in the among the fermented beverages. First of all, what is it? Kombucha is a colony of yeast and bacteria, different yeasts and different bacteria, and what they do is they ferment a liquid, and this liquid is a sweet black tea. So requirements are you have to have black tea and you have to have sugar. Type of black tea doesn't matter, you can use any black tea as long as it's organic, and you can use different types of sugars, it's not a problem. We also use organic, we only use organic ingredients. So I'm going to show you now how to prepare it. This is the first step, it's to prepare everything that we need. I have prepared here everything we need, very simple for the whole process. Let's start. So this is a scoby. So this is the colony that we sell. We sell on our website fermentix.com. So ferment.com. It comes with a starter liquid. This is enough to prepare 1.5 liters of kombucha in the first round. Of course, then you can, the second week, you can already prepare theoretically almost double as much, twice as much. Then you have here some black tea. This is organic Ceylon. You can use different types of black tea. This also comes with the product, with the kombucha. We ship one portion of tea. So to prepare the first 1.5 liters, we have a guide here, which I'm not going to open because this is it includes what I'm going to show you here. A sieve. We have 100 grams of sugar. This is organic sugar. And we have a glass jar. We are heating up the water. We are heating up 1.5 liters of water. On this side I've prepared some items that I use as well. Here you have, I wanted to show you small bottles, glass bottles I use to fill the finished kombucha and let ferment for the second time to make it become fizzy. This is to measure the temperature of the water, not really necessary here. This is the pH meter, it's to measure the pH of the solution that is fermenting, so you can understand when to stop it if you're not experienced enough. Let's say if you don't feel like you have the experience to rely on your senses. Yes, so I'm heating up here, and let's wait until we reach boiling temperature before we will throw in the black tea. So see you later. Okay, the water is now boiling, so we're going to add the black tea. Turn off the heat and remove from the heat as well. And we're going to wait for 15 minutes. Some people add some green tea after 10 minutes for the last 5 minutes. You can add that, add a few grams, 1-2 grams of green tea. But that's optional. You can also just do black tea. This is Ceylon black tea. Okay, so see you in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes have passed. We're gonna now filter the tea. Filter out the tea leaves. Just place this one here, like so. There we go. Put it back. Now what we want to do is we want to add the sugar. The 100 grams of sugar. And now we're going to leave it like this, or you can put it in the refrigerator, or you can add ice cubes, but we need to wait until the solution is below 30 degrees Celsius, so around the room temperature. Because otherwise, if we would add the kombucha now, the mushroom, the scoby now, it's gonna die, because it's alive, it's bacteria and yeast, and it's made out of cell, and cells are gonna denaturate. They are gonna break when the temperature is above 40 degrees. So just wait until it reaches room temperature. So see you later for the last step. So the solution temperature has now reached our room temperature, so it's safe to add our kombucha. So first step, we're gonna add our kombucha. We can just open our bag and directly add it into our, just do it like so. Here we go. So now we have our solution, our kombucha. We will close here, not too firmly, not too tightly, just slightly here, so the gases can escape. So primarily it's going to be CO2 that will escape. So CO2 will escape, needs to escape, and we're going to place this now in a warm place, like warmer place, ideally somewhere between 22 and 28 degrees Celsius. We're going to store it there. We don't want to move it once we have placed it in its location, and we're going to leave it to ferment. I recommend to let it ferment for 6-7 days, and then maybe try slightly, see if you like it, how sweet it is. And then when you're happy, you can also use the pH meter and test from time to time how sour it is, but you can see yourself. And when you're happy with the taste, what you do is you're gonna remove the liquid. You want to remove the liquid here, basically everything except for like 10%. So keep a little bit together with the mushroom, with the scoby here, with the colony. Keep some liquid, but the rest you can separate, and you can fill the bottles and then store the bottles for a few more days, tightly closed in this case. And this will be your second fermentation, so they will become fizzy in this process. And leave them for at least like 2-3 days, additional 2-3 days. And then you start again, like the remaining here, the mushroom and the liquid. Basically what you want to do is you want to prepare your new tea with sugar, and then as soon as it reaches room temperature, you can add it into your container. So this is it. You will be able to enjoy the kombuchas here. As I said, if you want to order it, you can go on fermentx.com. We have an array of different products, and there's more tips also in the guide. But other than that, enjoy. That was all.